Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a flavorful quail egg masala. This delightful dish is perfect as a side or appetizer. We will cover everything from boiling the tiny eggs to simmering them in a rich, aromatic gravy. You will need about 20 quail eggs, 1 large onion, 2 medium tomatoes, and a selection of common Indian spices. The entire process takes approximately 45 minutes to complete, making it a great option for a quick meal. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the quail eggs. Gently hard boil about 20 eggs for 3 to 4 minutes, then immediately transfer them to an ice bath to cool. Once cooled, carefully peel the delicate shells and make a few small slits on each egg to help absorb the rich masala flavors. Next, for the masala base, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and sauté 1 large finely chopped onion until it turns translucent. Then, add 1 tablespoon of ginger-garlic paste and cook for 1 minute before adding 2 chopped tomatoes, cooking until they soften. Now, let's build the flavor of our masala. To the cooked onion and tomato base, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Stir these spices well for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, gently add the peeled and slit quail eggs, ensuring they are thoroughly coated with the aromatic masala. Add 1/4 cup of water and let the dish simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the oil to separate, indicating it's perfectly cooked. To finish, garnish your delicious quail egg masala with a generous sprinkle of fresh, chopped coriander leaves for a burst of freshness. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with steamed rice, warm rotis, or soft appams. For best results, serve it hot and fresh. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Remember, you can always adjust the chili powder to make it milder or spicier, catering to your personal taste preference. Enjoy this delightful and nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.